it's Rob here and welcome to this hopefully short video on what I've been doing while the weather's been so awful. As you can see, I've revamped my hobby room. On the back wall here we've got the front of the boxes of all my Tamiya kits that I've made up so far, and my wall mounted paint pot holders, and then I've installed some shelving to house most of my cars. There's one there ready for anything new that I might be able to get hold of, and then we've got some non-Tamiya cars there at the top, and some holdy things on Dubry Firkins for when I've been spraying, and more cars, and more cars, and even more cars. And then we come over to another shelf that I've put up for all my nuts and bolts and screws and things and such thing, and my collection of transmitters I've got nowadays, and again more box fronts just to hide the horrible painted walls. And coming round, and if we go up here, this is my videoing rig. It's a microphone stand, what they call in the profession a boom microphone. And if we move this out of the way, I've done a little bracket here just to hold it steady, because with the LED light that I've got fitted there, and this camera that I've got in my hand, and the distance I've got it boomed out, it has a tendency to tip over if I touch it, so that's that bit. And then we come down to my workbench, which is all lovely and clean. Probably won't be for much longer, but hey, there we go. There's my little monitor, ooh, hello, that connects up to my camera so that I can hopefully see the bits that I'm working on central to the camera, which doesn't always work because I forget to look at the monitor, but hey. I'm coming down here to, I've got battery chargers there for my AA and AAA batteries, etc. And then we've got magnetic tool holders up there, and box holders on the walls and such like. I'm coming down to here, I've got all my paint brushes and things, and then a set of cheap plastic drawers which holds some more tools and my spray paints, etc. And that's about it. So that's what I've been up to while the weather's been so awful. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.